Hey guys, I just wanted to make this video to show or to maybe help somebody so they don't have the problem that I had. So anyways, I'm sure you know this gun is an internal hammer fired gun. So there's the hammer and there's a chamber for the hammer just as a prerequisite. So anyways, I had it apart, cleaned it, was putting it back together, and let's see here. Oh, okay, so I couldn't get it past there. Couldn't quite get it there, and my dumb idiot brain decided to pull the trigger, and then it's locked on there because the hammer's up in there. I tried to get in there and pry it down. I tried to push it back, it wouldn't go back. So anyways, I messed this thing like an idiot for like an hour until I realized two things. One, that with that grip safety, if you're not on it, it'll allow you to go past there, which doesn't do me any good because I can't engage slide lock and I can't turn down the slide release. So anyways, after messing with it for a long time, I figured I would just mess with whatever I could, and ended up being the spring. So there I turned the spring. All right. I had it the flat side down. It's supposed to be the round side down. So anyways, I turned it a quarter turn before. Anyways, I hope that saves some people, even if it's one person, from messing with it for an hour like I did. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks.